and welcome back to my channel. My name is Angel if you are new here, and welcome back to another video. So in today's video we are going to be talking all about contacts. So thank you so much to Minteye for sponsoring today's video. Let's go ahead and jump right into it. So normally I'm not really able to show you guys the packaging when I do these type of contact reviews, but you guys, Minteye did not come to play, you guys. I love the purple packaging. I love the gradient effect that it has. I love the ribbon. Like, they really took time, and this packaging is really good quality. Like, they did not play, y'all. I love a company, y'all know I always say this, that takes pride in their packaging and in their brand. So it just has on here Minteye Beauty in Your Eyes Colored Soft Contact Lenses, and I love their little phrase as well, beauty in your eyes. So inside your box you will actually get this care card right here. Just pretty much has how to care for the contact lenses, instructions on how to use them, how to put them in, and how to take them out. And inside your box they actually individually wrap all of their contact lenses in a box, so I love that. And this is so cute, you guys. The logo is so cute. It is holographic. Y'all, I am living. Like, Minteye is giving what it's supposed to give, okay? And inside your box you will also get the actual contact lens case for each one of your lenses, so no worries, you won't have to go out and buy extra or anything like that. It has the product name on here, the color, it even has your prescription on there. Everything you need to know is pretty much on the label of this contact lens box. They also throw in 2 extra contact lens cases as well. So these come with the actual case and then just the actual like left eye, right eye. And then it comes with the tools for you to remove your contacts and for you to put your contacts in. So some of the things that I love most about Minteye is that their contacts are super comfortable in the eyes. I don't have any problem with them rolling around or making my eyes irritated or anything like that. And fun fact about me, you guys, I always soak contact lenses overnight before I actually put them in my eyes. That way you don't get any irritations, you don't get any allergic reactions, any burning sensation, any of that. Just always soak your contacts, you guys, overnight, and that pretty much avoids that altogether. But Minteye, like, I do not have any irritations, you guys. I feel like I can wear these throughout the day without my eyes getting dry, my eyes getting watery or irritated. I also love that their contacts last up to a year. That's kind of different from me because normally when I do these contact reviews, other brands do not actually last up to a year. I normally get like daily wears or monthly wears or even 6 month supply. So being that I can actually wear these up to a whole year is just really good for me, because it's not every day that I want to wear a color contact lens. So when I do decide that I want to pull out these or wear these, I feel like, you know, I know that they're still going to be fresh. They're not going to be like drying out. They're not going to be infected or anything. They're going to be good to go and ready within that year when I do decide to wear them. I also love that Minteye offers so many different options when it comes to color contacts, so many different variations and so many different series. So for my girls out there that wear contacts for fashion or just because it kind of completes their style or suits their style, they also do offer non-prescription contact lenses as well as prescription. And of course you guys know which ones I got already. I just love that this brand pretty much has something for everyone. So enough of me talking, let's go ahead and jump into the try-on portion of today's video. much it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Be sure to comment down below and let me know your favorite pair, just in general, and your favorite pair on me. I'll be sure to leave my coupon code and also their website down below in my description bar as always. Right now on their website, they're actually offering buy 2 get 1 free, buy 3 get 1 free, or buy 4 get 1 free. So be sure to head on over to their website and check them out. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video and continuously supporting my channel. I love you guys so much. Be blessed, follow your dreams, and until next time, I'll see you guys later. Bye. Mwah.